Hey, what's up, guys? And thanks for joining. Today we have a brand new company, which is called ELEHEAR, and their brand new product, which is called the ELEHEAR Beyond. Now, this is a smart hearing aid, which can be used for anyone from being a senior citizen, your everyday audio streamers, or even those that are having that constant ringing in the ear, also known as tinnitus. This can help mask that ongoing ringing. Now, we're going to unbox and have a closer look at the ELEHEAR Beyond right after this. Let's go ahead and have a closer look at the box. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it out. Take a look at the side here. You can see some of the features that is mentioned here. Smart app, which is free, Bluetooth 5.3, DNN noise reduction, tinnitus masking, AI feedback control, 20 hours battery life, so that's pretty awesome. Over-the-air updates and remote care. Look at the back here. Has some information here that you can look at later. Turn to this side here. With that stated, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. You can obviously scan these QR codes if you have an iPhone or you have an Android, get the free app. Some information here. Then remove this. And this is everything that comes inside of the packaging. Charge cable, which is type A to type C. Here you have some extra ear caps, or ear tips if you may, and then some wax caps. So this is the ear cap, and this is the wax cap. This is the multifunctional tool, which is used to remove the wax cap. And then you have some extra pins in here as well. And here is the ELEHEAR Beyond charge case and the hearing aids. Then you have some documentation, quick start guide, and the user manual. Let's have a closer look at the charge case. As you can see here, it tells you the battery status of the charge case, which looks to be roughly 100%. On this side here, you have a reset button. And then on this side, you have the type C charge port. They're not heavy, actually. Nice size. Looking here, you can see red over here and blue over here. So pretty much blue for left, red for right. And these are also color coded as well, as you can see here. Flip this over. So with this, you can see that this is marked blue. You can actually see it right through it. And this side is red. So you will not have a hard time knowing which side goes to where when it comes to charging. This is the part that goes in your ear. And this wraps around your actual ear, the back of your ear. You have a button there as well on this side. Now, in order to get these charging, you have to remove this. So I'm going to take this off and then do the same for the other one. One feature I did not mention is that it has AI smart translation. So you can get real-time AI translations. If you're wearing this and someone is speaking another language, this will translate it to your native language or a language that you can understand. So pretty nice to have that feature built into this. And place these back into charge case. Very simple. Drop it in that way. And then you drop it in this way. Let's dive into the app. So I scanned the QR code. Let's go right into it and download it. The one that we're looking at today is the Beyond. Tap here. It looks like you need to register. Okay, so all you do is put your email address there, get the verification code if you do so, place it in there, hit next, and keep going from there. And it's that simple. Now we're going to go ahead and tap here again. Allow that to connect. Let's go ahead and open it up just like it says there. It's opened. Tap continue. And now it's connecting. As you can see there, it connected successfully. So easy. And you can go through the process here, or you can skip. I'm going to skip, but you definitely have that option to go to the tutorial, or that way it can show you how to actually use it. But I'm going to skip. So you get the battery status of the case, and you also get the battery status of the hearing aids as well. So I'm going to take this one out, take this one out as well. Also, this closes magnetically, in case you were wondering. And they do stick in here magnetically as well, so you won't lose them. Now that I have them out the case, in here, you can see more settings. When they're in the case, you're not able to make adjustments here, but once you take them out, you can see the options are no longer grayed out. So let's start at the top. It's on default right now, which is the current mode. If I hit this arrow right here, you have different profiles. Go back. In here you have where you can turn it on, turn it off, or have it on auto. If you have LR selected, then you can adjust the volume of each individually. This is a cool feature because you may be able to hear better out of one ear than the other. And if that's the case, you can adjust it accordingly. That way you have a balanced experience. Or you can have it to both and just adjust it where they're both going to be balanced out, no matter what the volume is at the same time. Auto enhance, you can leave it on auto, or you can turn it off and then select it according to your preference. So as we head to the sound adjustment section, or the tuning, if I tap here, on this screen, you're able to adjust the frequency on how your hearing aids are amplified. So in other words, on this screen, you're able to adjust your hearing aids to mask your own hearing preferences or hearing loss. So pretty cool that this is included. And of course, you have here where it states phone call boost. So you can turn it on or turn it off. So this is for tinnitus masking. So again, if you have that ongoing ringing in your ear, you're able to use any one of these white noise sound profiles to mask out that ongoing ringing you may have in your ear. How cool is that? I want to go ahead and put these on my ear and then show you how they look, so that way you can have an idea. To wear this is quite simple. Just stick it in the ear first, that part there. That goes in the ear. Then wrap that around. And that's pretty much it. So you have this side here. And you have this side here. Very low profile. The last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and give these a test run. I'm going to play some music tracks, stream some videos, make a few phone calls, and just see how it amplifies my environment, meaning the audio in my environment. Have a few conversations and just see what the overall experience is and give you my feedback. Be right back. I've had my test run with the ELEHEAR Beyond, and I got to tell you, it was an awesome experience. They're very comfortable. They are very light. As far as the listening experience, you don't get the bass, right? You don't get the bass that you would get with traditional earbuds, but that's not the purpose of these. The audio is super crisp. You can hear every detail. I just saw the Daredevil trailer, and everything from him cracking his knuckles, you can hear every little detail. It picks up every little sound, and that is more than enough for me. Besides that, listening to music tracks was pleasant. Again, you don't get the bass, but you get to hear every detail in that audio, and it's a good listening experience. So all in all, for streaming audio, I think these are pretty awesome. Now, I made a few phone calls. I heard them extremely clear, and they heard me extremely clear. There were no issues as far as my audio or their audio. Everything was just super crisp. I keep saying that, but the audio experience was superb. The price tag for the ELEHEAR is $399, but compared to some of the other ones out there, that could range anywhere from $800 and beyond, and you get nothing but premium features at a good discounted price. You get 2 hearing aids that could serve as streaming earbuds, and also something that can help with tinnitus and mask out that ongoing ringing in your ear. On top of that, you get 20 hours of battery life. I'm not sure what else you would need at that price range. Again, $800 or more for something even close to what you get with this. Now, if you're interested in the ELEHEAR Beyond, then please go to the description section of my video. But this completes my review for the ELEHEAR Beyond Smart Hearing Aid.